Hi guys, today we talk about how can you find my phone on your iPhone. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, just click on settings. Then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down. You just keep going down here. So then all you have to do, you just click on privacy and security here. You come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on location and services, you just click on it. You come to next step here. So then you come here to you come here to share my location here. Then you click here on find my phone. You come here to find my phone here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me find my phone disabled with us now. And here can you add your password. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.